Today, tomorrow, every day, Eigo Day. Hello! Welcome back to Book and Snack. It's Nick with Eigo Day. Here, we read a book and enjoy snacks together. ようこそ、Eigo Day の Book and Snack です。おやつをおいしく食べながら、英語の本を聞きましょう。Well, today, we are going to start a little bit different because yesterday I asked a question. Which candy did I not like? Let's see if you got it right. Dun dun dun. The green apple. I don't like the green apple one. I like strawberry and I like grape, but I don't like the green apple. Well, that's a special answer because today is Friday. And since it's Friday, we have one of my favorite books. This is my favorite book to read to my son. It's called Go Dog Go by P.D. Eastman. この特別な本は私の息子に読むことが大好きです。So, let's read Go Dog Go together. Dog. Big dog, little dog. Big dogs and little dogs. Black and white dogs. Hello! Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye. Goodbye. One little dog going in. 3 big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree. A blue dog on a red tree. A green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car. 2 big dogs going up. 1 little dog going down. Whee! The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out. 1 dog up on a house. 3 dogs down in the water. A green dog over a tree. A yellow dog under a tree. 2 dogs in a house, on a boat, in the water. A dog over the water, a dog under the water. Hello again! Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. The dogs are all going around and around and around. Go around again. The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun. It is not hot here under the house. Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Dogs at work. Work dogs work. Dogs at play. Play dogs play. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like that hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye. Dogs in cars again. Going away fast. Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go. Stop, dogs, stop. The light is red now. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now. Two dogs at play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down. Now it is night. Night is not a time for play. It is a time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. Now it is day. The sun is up. Now is the time for all dogs to get up. Get up. It is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Look where they're going. They are all going to that big tree over there. Now the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out and look where those dogs are going. To the tree, to the tree. Up the tree, up the tree. Up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there on top of that tree? A dog party! A big dog party! Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, there's a black dog, and white dogs are all at a dog party. What a dog party! Hello, Dan! And now do you like my hat? I do! What a hat! I like it! I like that party hat! Goodbye! Goodbye! Go, dog, go. Okay. Well, see, I told you that was a good book and easy to read too. So, today's question. What did the pink dog have on her head? What did the pretty pink dog have on her head? 4 times she was wearing it. She had a hat. That's a real simple hat. The hat at the end is a wild and crazy hat. That's a funny hat. Well, see, it's a good book. Go, dog, go. Well, it's Friday. Snack time. Save the best. This is the last video of July, and my favorite, one of my favorite snacks. Can you guess? It's chocolate. Yes, chocolate is one of my favorites, especially when it has peanut butter in it. I could eat these forever. Peanut butter and chocolate. Do you like peanut butter? Japanese don't eat peanut butter very much. I love it. Well, it's time to say goodbye. I hope I see you again. I hope it's on Monday, and that'll be August. So have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time on Book and Snack. Goodbye!
本って本当にいいですね。今日の本はどうでしたか？みんなのやつは何でしたか？コメントで教えてください。登録といいねのボタンをお願いします。コメントも Please Okay, see you tomorrow. Goodbye, and one more special goodbye.